How do I recover my old Coinbase wallet? To recover your old Coinbase wallet, you can follow these steps. 1. Visit the Coinbase website and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. 2. Enter your registered email address or username associated with your old Coinbase account and click on Next. 3. On the next page, click on the Forgot Password link located below the password field. 4. You'll be redirected to a password recovery page. Enter your registered email address and click on the Submit button. 5. Coinbase will send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Check your email inbox, including the spam or junk folders, for the password reset email from Coinbase. 6. Open the email and click on the provided password reset link. You'll be redirected to a page where you can create a new password for your Coinbase account. 7. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, and confirm it by typing it again. 8. After setting the new password, click on the Change Password button to save it. 9. Once your password is changed, you can log into your Coinbase account using your email address or username and the new password. 10. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your old Coinbase account, you'll need to provide the required verification code as well. 12. After successfully logging in, you should have access to your old Coinbase wallet and can manage your funds as before. If you encounter any issues during the account recovery process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.